I know y'all see this attempt at a wash and go. It's actually a little bit better today. I am pleased with this result and I know I can stretch it out. You know it's not dry, right? I did this earlier, it's still not dry. Anyway, that is not the purpose of this video. Let's get into this video. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is Cherie here with another video. Thanks for riding with me. We're going to get right into the topic of this video, which is my recap of my 30-day natural hair care challenge. So if you want to see what I thought of the natural hair challenge, the products that I used, the manageability of my hair, and if I would try it again or incorporate any of these things, stay tuned. All right, so first things first. Did I miss my over-the-counter products? Yes and no. I think the main thing though that I had a slight struggle with was not knowing how my hair was going to turn out, if it was going to receive the product well, and I was going to get the style that I was looking for. Now, luckily, everything that I tried worked out in my favor. And so I think that's just a testament to everything that we have in our environment, everything that has been given to us by the Most High is all we need. What the drawback is, okay, you have to sit down, get in your kitchen, you got to get all the ingredients necessary, and you have to make these products if you want to do it the DIY way. You don't have to do it that way. There is an alternative. So there are so many pretty well-known organic all-natural hair care brands that create all-natural products from really quality ingredients, and you guys, the results are amazing. So it's not like it was back when I first went natural. We didn't have shea moisture, okay? We had the shea butter that you buy in the beauty supply store in a little tub, and I used Cream of Nature back when it was in the white and green bottle. I think it was a white and green bottle. And it was actually completely sulfate free. And then they changed the brand. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We're going to go into that on the OG Natural video. That's coming soon, you guys. So it's not like it was back in the day. There are tons and tons and tons of, I don't know how many companies I see on Instagram that promote and claim that they provide organic hair care. And so you can easily do this challenge with products from those companies. The price point may be a little bit out of budget for some people. If it's organic and they're making it from scratch and it's quality, it's probably not going to be cheap. And that may be a reason for you to try an alternative and DIY, your hair care products at home. Actually, I provided you with a full range of DIYs to actually take care of your hair on wash day and for styling. So if you guys are interested in just trying this out for yourself, you can go check that out. I have the videos in a playlist. It is 30 Days Au Naturale. And I also have many of the recipes detailed on my blog at naturalbeginnings.blogspot.com. So, as I was saying, making the products from scratch might be a deterrent if you are not too handy with, concocting stuff and putting things together. But I didn't have a problem with that. That part was actually fun to me. I think the only other part about over-the-counter products that I miss, and I explained that to you guys before, is being able to slick down my flyaways. I have a lot of frizzies. Excuse me. As soon as I say something, get back into place. Anyway, I have a lot of frizzies, a lot of flyaways. I have some broken hairs. I'm still regrowing my hair back from the postpartum shedding that I had. So it's a lot going on. And when I can get a little bit of, edge booster and slick it down, that makes it a little bit better until, I do something else with my hair. But I've never been a stickler for that. And it didn't really make me a huge difference. So I can take that, leave that and take that with a grain of salt. Would I do the challenge again? I would do the challenge again. There are different parts of the regimen that I'm going to maintain. Like I said before in the very beginning when I started, I was definitely going to maintain doing a bentonite clay mask wash at least once a month. Probably going to be twice a month. Definitely going to maintain the African black soap shampoo wash, and I actually did that today before I did my wash and go here. Definitely going to maintain the apple cider vinegar, so that's like my pre-cleanse. So now we got what? Pre-cleanse, we got shampoo, deep conditioner. Definitely gonna keep the honey avocado mask, but it should only be like a once a month thing, because with low porosity built up on the hair, and then you don't get super amazing results like you want. So I did a leave-in conditioner, which that actually may become my main conditioner if I choose to use that going forward. I'm still not certain on that. That might be a once a month thing too. It was really easy to make. It was just really oil heavy, and I wasn't feeling the amount of oils that I had in there. So that was one of my drawbacks from some of the products I make. They were super oil heavy, and I'm like, I need something else to like break up the oiliness. I'm on Shine, but I don't need to be on like, Soul Glow Shine. Like, that is not the goal here. That is not the look. Yes, I would try it again, but not just for 30 days. I just incorporate those things into my regimen that I used, and they would just be part of my regimen on a regular basis. The stylers. The buttercream styler, I want to perfect that. And I have a plan to do that, and I'm going to do another video when I do perfect it, and I'm going to record it and share with you guys. Flaxseed gel. Yes. Probably mainly if I'm doing a wash and go, and if I'm doing twist outs, I will maintain using the flaxseed gel as my holding styler. My refresher has always been, a bottle of warm water with some oil, castor oil. I may not use like castor oil all the time. I did pick up some argan oil the other day, like I showed you in that last video. And I may switch out with argan oil. I'm trying to get away from using heavier oils because low porosity hair is not really too keen on that. Now I have a lot of strands and I have thick strands, so I can get away with it sometimes, but I really want to try to avoid weighing my hair down if at all possible. Did the 30-day regimen challenge improve anything in my hair? I will say this, I noticed this, and I wish I would have like saved you guys like shots of like my shed hair then, because this was really, really noticeable. My detangling process was pretty much like non-existent. Like, I didn't have to struggle to detangle my hair. And not that I struggle with detangling my hair, like after 14 years, like I know how to go in and, detangle. Like, they call me the tangle whisperer. So, I got that on lock. But I'm saying from the washing to the conditioning process to styling, I barely had to run a brush or a comb through my hair. Like, it was just, the curls just separated so easily and the tangles just disappeared. So I did notice my hair was a lot more manageable than it is when I use my regular products. However, that may be due to me doing proper cleanse, getting all that product buildup off so that my hair isn't drying out. So that came from me doing the challenge. So yes, my hair was definitely a lot more manageable. Definitely noticed a lot more sheen to my hair, and that probably was because many of the products were based with butters and oils. I think my only reservation would be if I was trying to do roller sets or some other straightened style. I'm not sure how my hair would respond to the natural styler, but that's why I want to give that styler, the cream buttercream styler, another try, because I know there's something I can add to it to make it a little more appropriate for styling things like roller sets. So I'm gonna come back to that at a later time. So overall, the Au Naturale Regimen 30-day hair care challenge, that is a mouthful. You guys, I started to call this the Juices and Berries challenge. You're as old as me. You all have seen Coming to America, and the part where Eddie Murphy's in the barbershop, or Prince Hakeem is in the barbershop. Boy, what kind of chemicals you put in your hair? And he's like, no chemicals, only juices and berries. So that's funny to me. Anyway, and y'all can laugh at me for my silly Eddie Murphy presentation, but it is what it is. That part's funny. So juices and berries, I'm like, yes, like I should have, like, it's low key called the Juices and Berries challenge, but if we do it again, that's what I'm gonna call it. You guys, if you were following this challenge with me, if you were on the journey with me, make sure you tag down below hashtag Juices and Berries challenge, or just hashtag Juices and Berries if you want. Overall, I really enjoyed doing this challenge. I enjoyed making the products, doing the DIYs. It really helps if you do want to do this and do the homemade products yourself. If you do everything at one time, so that you're not trying to concoct, different products and stylers every day. Like, just make a good batch for a month. You store it in your refrigerator, and there you go. Oh, another kind of drawback, I guess, is a con. If you do not use a preservative, and if I really didn't do too much research on preservatives. I heard a few things here and there, but to be on the safe side, I didn't want anything going rancid in my bedroom or on, my dresser or wherever. I left everything in the refrigerator that I knew needed refrigeration. And so the only thing about that is before I got ready to use the product, I would have to take it out. If it had something like coconut milk in it and it congealed, I had to take it out and give it time to kind of thaw out and liquefy again. So that could be another con, but if you are planning ahead and you remember, like, okay, I need to give this some time before I can use it, put it in my hair, then you just do that. Or you can do a little digging, do a little bit more research, find out preservatives, and add them to your products. I haven't done the research on that yet. That is something I'm looking into. And when I do, I will provide updated recipes with those new ingredients. Overall, this was fun. I feel like I definitely treated my hair to like a personal spa month and gave it all these nutrients and juices and berries and things that, made it flourish and have it look its best. and decided to treat myself with a little wash and go. Um, we're getting there. It's not perfection, Miss Frizzy, but we're getting there. We're getting there, you guys. You guys help me out. Let me know what I should try for my wash and go. Your girl is struggling. This has never been a strength of mine, especially when it comes to like the shrinkage part, and the definition part. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions on what I can try to achieve wash and go. It looks like a fro back here. I know why that happened, but we'll get into that in another video. I'm gonna record my process next time. Hopefully it's a better outcome next time as well. But while I'm trying to figure that out, you guys let me know. Do you know like what I should be using for a wash and go? Like what can we get all the frizzies and flyaways to like disappear? Like what can I do? Please help me. I'm helping you, but please help me with this. I need wash and go help, you guys. Anyway, if you enjoyed this challenge, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I am so grateful to my 1,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. Please share and continue to tell your friends, to tell their friends, to tell their friends. I'll see you guys in the next video.